Let Garmin show you how to use the Plan Arrival feature on your dēzl OTR device. You can plan to arrive at a popular truck destination, such as loading docks or truck parking locations. Bird's eye satellite imagery helps ensure a smooth arrival with high-resolution aerial views of loading docks, truck entrances, and security gates. You can also add your own destinations to the map. Ensure your dēzl OTR device is connected to Wi-Fi or paired with the dēzl app to benefit from bird's eye satellite imagery. Check out our pairing videos for instructions. To begin, add your destination to your route by selecting Where To. You can select any search option, including address, saved, or recent destinations. You can also use the search box to enter a destination. Select a location from the list, then select Go. Your dēzl device will then begin navigation. If your dēzl device is connected to Wi-Fi or paired with the dēzl app, it downloads bird's eye satellite imagery automatically. The Plan Arrival map tool will appear with a preview of your destination when the satellite imagery has finished downloading. Select the Plan Arrival map tool to choose your exact destination. Popular truck destinations appear next to the map. Choose your preferred destination. Then select Go. To add your own truck destination, select Add Destinations. Then select a location on the map. Next, select a category. You can enter or select a name for the location. Then select Done, followed by Save. Select Go to begin navigation. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.